Today we're going to explore a new to me thing, which is a reed switch. It's this little thing here, and it has two little metal pieces inside that are not touching right now, but when I bring a magnet to it, they will be touching, which means they'll close the circuit. So this is the basic layout of the circuit, leaving some space. There's the light bulb over here, and a battery over here. This is going to be attached to the negative side of our battery, so that's the short leg, and this is going to be the positive side, so that's the long leg that's going to be attached to the top. So let's start by laying down our copper tape. Short leg here. And it just has a little backing, an adhesive backing. We pull it off, lay it down here. Now I'm going to do a piece over here. The reason we have this gap in our circuit is for the switch to fit in, so that's there on purpose. So that goes right here, and to turn a corner I bend it in the opposite direction and then I turn it back here like this. Now I have the second part over here, but I'm going to put down my battery first. I like to attach my battery with a little tape donut. So that means I just roll the tape up like this. I'm going to put that little tape donut right on the bottom and attach it here to the circuit. Now we need to do this side. So I'm going to put my conductive tape here, and then turn the corner, go back this way, leaving a gap in my circuit for the switch. And then I need to tape the switch down, making sure that it makes a secure connection on each side. Just like that. I'm going to rub that down to make sure it's touching. Another piece of tape over here. And now it's time for the light. And I said the short leg is going to the bottom of my battery, so you look, there's one slightly longer and one shorter. So I just go like this. I think it'll be fine just like that. Tape it down, make sure it's secure. And then I want to bring my magnet near. Ooh, it doesn't even have to touch, it just has to be close. Oh, that's so cool. Oopsies, there we go.